popped down the allotment just to pick up some parsnips and some beetroot and some herbs ready for cooking later. And after a number of days of heavy rain and winds, the day today is really nice. It's nice and sunny. So I haven't planned this, but I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you around some of the things that are growing at the moment and show you some of the things that I've harvested. Apologise for the sound in advance. As I say, I didn't plan this video. It's just me and my mobile phone. I haven't got my user microphone, but I think it was good to show you some of the things that are growing. So if you do like the video, then give it the thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to future videos, then press the subscribe button. December the 18th today. Come down the allotment after a number of days of really sort of bad weather, rain and wind. It's quite pleasant today, a bit of sunshine. But even this time of year, what I'm really excited about, I want to show you these here. Look at this. These are my broad beans that I planted a number of weeks ago. So even in the excessive rain that we've had and even cold temperatures, these have germinated really well. It's the other side of the broad beans, so virtually every single one of them's germinated, so they should give me a nice early crop, maybe late spring, for you know, for my first pick, and I'll put some more in. What's really exciting about them as well, these are the seeds that I took from the plants last year, so I haven't had to buy these seeds. I've just used the ones that I got from last year's crop. So even at this time of year, when everything seems to be dying back, the allotment is a place where you can still find new growth. Still got some spring onions there, which I'm probably going to leave for a little bit longer and harvest them. So they'll be nice in maybe a week or two's time, maybe a salad over Christmas. And here over here is the garlic. I'm really happy with those. Look at them; they look really great. There's quite a lot of garlic there. I always grow a little bit more than I need because firstly I've got the space, and secondly, you think you're going to lose one or two, but they seem to have all germinated, so hopefully they will produce quite a lot of garlic for me. And just at the back of them are the onions, a little bit smaller than the garlic. These are different varieties of onions. There's reds and white onions mixed in that lot there, and they will again produce me an early crop. I'll put some onions in the usual time, probably sort of late March, April, to give me my summer crop. These are my parsnips, which I'm going to take out a couple today. We're going to make a stew today, and beyond them there's still some beetroot to harvest as well, so I'll be taking them out as well, taking them home today. So what I'm also going to do today is add some of the peelings from the kitchen onto the compost heap, which I've noticed is a little bit dry, so I'm going to add a little bit of water to that just to help to keep it active. As you can see, it's completely covered over, so it's not unexpected. It's going to be a little bit dry, so I'll just add a little bit of water to that. I'll add those clippings or cuttings from the vegetables to the pile and then cover it all back up again. And the leaf mould as well, also starting to look a little bit dry, so I'll put a bit of water in that as well. I have kept the cover on it because I don't want it to get too saturated, and this time of year when you do get excessive rain, it has the ability to absorb an awful lot of water, so I'll try to control the amount of moisture as I can in the compost and in the leaf mould. What I'll probably do in January or February is take the leaf mould out of the steel cage or container, turn it over and then put it back in again to help the decomposition process. So these are the parsnips I've just harvested. As you can see, they're very muddy, but that's no surprise given the amount of rain we've had over the last few days, so I'll give them a bit of a clean up. Not too bad. I mean, I've had some very large parsnips this year. Those are sort of medium size, but when they're cleaned up they'll be absolutely delicious. I've got one or two left in the ground for Christmas dinner, so I'll come and get them in about 5 or 6 days time. And here we have the beetroots, and these are a different variety. I can't remember the name of the variety. I think I may have said on a previous video. As I said, this video was not planned. You can see they're the thinner variety rather than the rounder variety that you might be familiar with. So there's still some of them left in the ground, and I'll have some of them over the next few weeks as well.